Hello everyone. So today we will see how we can create our own extension for Google Chrome. What are the extension? Extension are like routines. We predefine routines where we can use for specific purpose. So let's say I have to go in manage extension, and you can see a VPN is extension, which is Chrome extension, Google Talk, and lot of extension. If we want to use our own extension, or if we want to develop our own extension, then there is a simple way we can develop our own extension. So uh, we have to use manifest.json file. This is a file which is actually required for our extension to develop extension. First is manifest version 3, and the name of extension, in this case my name of extension is alert, version, description, and I want to show any icon, and I want to use popup.html, and permission is active text. You can set different permissions, but for the sake of this video demonstration, active text permission is enough for the demonstration. So now in popup.html file, we just write a simple HTML loading, and it is using popup.js. And you don't need to use popup.js or any JS file, but if you want to use any something complex logic, then you need a JavaScript. So my JavaScript very simple, that it's just messaging alert extension. So this is the main file, manifest.json file. Then I am calling from uh, popup HTML, uh, and in popup HTML I am going to call my JavaScript. So I hope you understand this idea. So here is my folder, and now I am going to how to use it. So first I need to use developer mode, which is off, so I need to turn it on. Once you turn it on, then I need to click load unpack. So in load unpack, I have to select my folder extension. Okay, and then you can see my alert extension is available here. I can see detail as well, so that what permission I have, what size of the version. So here we go, and this is a very simple way, and this is my extension developed by Ali. As you see in my manifest file, that this is my sample extension developed by Ali, alert and 1.1. so all the things you are seeing here. And if I go here, and then you can find alert extension, I can pin it, but right now for the sake of demonstration, test extension is my alert, which is actually calling JavaScript. Let me show one more time quickly, that this is my thing. So I hope you understand. If you need to write some complex logic, so you can use JavaScript in a extension, and you can write some complex or delicate extension. So now you can have an idea, if we need to create our own extension, so how you can do it. I hope you can develop your own beautiful and wonderful amazing extension as per unit. And thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks. Take care.